Riwruok mar KMPDU pod medo nyiso chung' margi e kwedo chik mar okumba mar thieth manyien mong'ere kaka Social Health Insurance Act 2023 ma giluwo ni sirikal tiyo godo e yor ohala. Jagoro mongirore e KMPDU Davji Atela oyango ni gisewuok oko mar tiyo twech achiel gi migepe mamoko kendo kwayo jopiny mondo ochung' motegno e neno ni giyudo ratiro margi e weche mag thieth. Apisa mawuok e riwruoge mopogore bende osingo chung' margi e kwedo chik ma kama ka giluwo ni chenrono kidek tieko teku mar okumba mar thieth mar NHIF kaachiel gi medo kelo pek mar ngima ne oganda.
We have to put it into accountability, the role of Social Health Insurance Act, that the name that it has should go in line with the services it provides. Not that it has a name of Social Health Insurance Act, but on the side, it is a scheme to pilferage funds and to make Kenyans more poor. We have seen that in the last 1 year, we have been tasked in every space and in everything. The government will be becoming more immoral and acting in a just way to also take that only thing that we have to ensure that we have an access to medical care. Thank you.
Or they throw in a package that if you cannot pay, we will give you a loan. What is wrong with this government and loans? Rights are rights. They should not be accessed through loans.
The whole act is unconstitutional since it steals away from ourselves the basic right.